Weight loss, fitness and healthy living are the concerns of all, and more than ever before now, workout services are springing up daily online claiming to provide fitness and weight loss services through workout websites and associated services. Most of these workout services are created by fitness experts to be easy to follow and ready for you to use in achieving weight loss, making yourself fit and upping your athletic standard in your chosen field of sports. If a workout program will help you blast fat away from your body because it employs new advanced workout methods that ensures complete stability that improves your strength, then it is worth your while. On the other hand, if all a workout site does is showcase the traditional workout methods, then what is its worth to you? Therefore, you must be careful when choosing a workout site or program to help you achieve weight loss and fitness, because there are many workout sites out there that are not going to help you achieve your aim even when they claim that they can. Finally, depending on your need, whether it is weight loss or sports fitness, bear in mind that it is you who will achieve your aim by following a particular program religiously. No matter how good a workout site or program may be, if you do not follow instructions, you will not achieve weight loss or fitness. As the name implies, workout means working the different exercises that a program employs to help you achieve weight loss or fitness. For more information, click the link in the description below this video.